Natural gas last week has achieved 3.1 levels here on the upside, rising sharply from 2.6 as the support. I hope you all profited. I have mentioned you earlier in all of my previous analysis that this is the reversal sign and now net gas is going to rocket. And precisely that has happened. We have seen now net gas almost getting or rising 25% levels. Now, what to expect in the coming week? As we have seen gas closing towards the doji here, can we expect it to yield another bullish candle? Can we expect it to yield sharper rise from the current levels? Or is it going to crash again? What is going to be our strategy trading natural gas next week? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you are new to the channel, subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates. I do release my daily update and targets for natural gas before the Asia and Europe session. Watch that as well. And yes, if you're not joined the channel memberships, join the channel memberships, press the join button and enjoy the aided pulse. With that, let's start. In this update, first we look into charts and indicators, and towards the end, I will give you the trading levels and strategy. Watch till the end. Net gas on the monthly charts, after sharp reversals, after sharp bearish candles, we have seen now higher lows, higher highs. Now, if you just connect the dots here, you will find the lows and the highs, the delta remains the same and beautifully it is drawn a parallel. So possibly only and only if 3.2 levels are taken on gas on the upside, beyond 3.2, this time I will be looking forward for it to fly towards 3.5, 3.6 levels. Thus, we have to wait for it to break beyond 3.2 in order to confirm a rise. Yes, right now it is still yielding higher lows, higher highs here. Second observation here on the monthly chart, see here the prices were divergent from the moving average. We have seen earlier couple of months back price is converging towards the 50-100 period moving average. Now since then we have seen it retracing, higher lows are formed. Now see higher lows, and this is very important, 4 or to 5 monthly candles forming a very stronger support at 2.06, 2.1 levels. This suggests that the gas prices in the near future can again try to rise here, and thus I will look forward to further highs in the coming months. Possibility exists. But yes, 3.2, 3.6 and then 4 levels, $4 levels. These are the 3 key resistances on the upside it needs to break in order to confirm the bullishness. The stochastic has fallen sharply. MACD, look at MACD, it has seen a stronger bearish move. It can possibly converge, crossover for a rise. See, it has seen the stronger bottom levels at which net gas always tries to rise. Thus, be watchful for this. RSI is looking upwards as well. Coming to weekly. On the weekly charts, the moving averages have started to converge. Yes, there was a reversal sign few weeks back, and I have very clearly mentioned that before the beginning of this January month that net gas is showing a reversal after series of red candles. Thus, we can expect it to rise. What has happened since then? It has achieved higher highs, higher lows. Where is the support for gas? 2.5 is now the support for gas, and thus as long as it stays above 2.5, we should not be treating this as bearish. Now 2.5 levels is almost 20% from the current levels, and that is why I say as long as it stays about 2.5, 2.48, we are not going to treat this as bearish. Now look at the preceding candle or the last candle for gas. It has shown a swing and it is closed as doji. Now remember that if it opens about 2.96, we can expect it to continue moving towards 3.2. What will happen? It will try to give a bigger bullish candle than this one. Now this candle has almost seen the rise from 2.6 to 2.8 levels, and thus from 2.9596 to we can expect it to move to 3.2 levels here. Yes, on the downside, now where is the support? You should watch out for 2.7 levels for the coming week is going to remain the support, and then ultimately 2.6. So as long as 2.7 is respected next week, we can expect it to rise and continue trade bullish towards 3.2 levels. If you look at the stochastic, this is rising. This is also showing signs of bullishness. MACD is almost on the verge of a crossover for the buys. If it does show a crossover, certainly we can expect stronger bullish momentum. RSI rising here as well. Coming to the daily, now look at the daily chart. See, there was a pullback. First of all, a breakout where we have seen prices staying outside Bollinger Band. So you've seen it's showing a pullback, then a red candle, and then after that higher highs here. Thus, in the coming week, once you see it is staying above 3.0 to 3.05 levels, we can look forward to 3.2 as the next target. After 3.05, we can look forward to 3.2 as the next target. Yes, on the 4-hour charts as well, it is trading in this bullish channel looking upwards. And yes, on the daily charts here, one thing is important, that the support levels now on the daily charts 2.8, 2.7 and 2.6, very stronger support here. These are the daily charts, and thus on the daily charts 2.8, 2.7, 2.6, three very strong support exists for gas, and as long as it stays above these levels, we should not be treating gas as bearish. Stochastic has dropped here from the overbought zone. MACD is still divergent. MACD is still bullish. It is still looking upwards. See the previous drop from these levels, and it is now again continuing to move towards the highs here. Yes, it can show you potential further rise from the current levels. RSI rising here. Coming to 4-hour charts. Now look at 4-hour charts. See, taking the support from, first of all, prices were divergent from the 20 and 50. It has taken the support from the 50 period. We have seen a rise. Then taken the support from the 20 period. We have seen a rise. Now look at on the upside, $3 levels are proving out to be a greater resistance. We can see on the upside getting resistance at 2.98. Thus, in the coming week, once you see prices staying above 2.98, we can stay bullish. We can look forward to 3.0 to 3.05 levels, and any rise above 3.05 this time should confirm that it is going to move towards 3.2. Now see the movement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement. Retracement means it can move towards the 20 period moving average, which means it can move towards 2.8586 levels, which is should be the first target, and from those levels a recovery can be seen. Stochastic rising, MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence, trading bullish, looking upwards. RSI is almost staying flat. Now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy for the coming week. Before I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 28th mentorship batch commencing 3rd week of January or 28th of January. Register yourself now itself. Visit my channel www.forexfunda.com for details related to any of your queries related to the mentorship batch. Yes, the platform forexfunda.com has much more to offer. There is live data releases where in the economic calendar section, and this data release from across the globe is available with the sentiments. You also have the live charts with advanced tools so that you can do the analysis, and yes, there is also the community where you can discuss your analysis with the like-minded traders. And if you want to discuss anything with me or any of the other experts, you can book a call and take a live consultation. This consultation is completely free if you are part of our webinar series, where every Sunday we discuss the futures of the markets and the nitty-gritties of the movements in the markets. Thus, visit the platform forexfunda.com, register for the webinar and enjoy the free consultation. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my premium signals channel on Telegram. Write down to me, ping me on Telegram or email for details of the same. Now first, let's talk about the levels to buy. On the upside, I will recommend you to buy here at 2.96 levels. Beyond this, we will look forward to 3.02, 3.05. Now if these two levels are taken, we can treat gas is having further bullishness, and we can look forward to 3.12 and then 3.2 levels. Now remember, if 3.2 is taken on the upside, this time we are going to look forward to a phenomenal rise in gas, where 3.35, 3.5, 3.6, this is going to be the next target, and after this, sky is the limit. It is going to move towards 3.8 and 4, but anyways, this is not going to happen in a single week. Any rise is going to take a little time, but yes, it is still to be treated bullish as long as it stays about 2.5, 2.48 zone. Now on the downside, there is a possibility of a little retracement. You can sell here at 2.92, expect 2.86 as a very good support, and then 2.8 levels will come. Only bearishness if the prices stays below 2.86 or 2.8 levels. These are the two very good support zone exist here. Below 2.8, in fact, I will look forward to 2.75, 2.7, and then as long as 2.6 is there, we have to be watchful for the coming weeks. I think, in fact, even if it tries to show a drop, 2.8 and 2.7 itself should be a greater resistances. And if it stays above this zone, if you find it taking support from 2.8, 2.7, consider that a reversal is on cards and we are going to look forward to a stronger move towards 3.1, 3.2 levels. Thus, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, Signals channel, webinar series. Register yourself now or visit my platform forexfunda.com or join my free Telegram channel to get the live updates. All the links are shared in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.